here are the top 3 free apps that I use to help me be productive every day. The number 1 apps that I use daily is Microsoft To Do. Now, I'm in my Microsoft To Do right now. This is actually in the Outlook where you can access your email, your calendar. Now here, this is Microsoft To Do. If you click it here, you will come in right over here. Yeah. Now you can create as many lists as you want. You can see that I have a lot of lists right over here. And then you can have your My Day. You want to learn more about Microsoft To Do, then watch this video. I have done one video that is specifically to teach you how to use Microsoft To Do. Now, why I like this tool is that easily you can create a task. Yeah. Now, I usually create tasks inside my list. Okay. This is for my business. This is for my personal, my workout listing. You can see there are a lot of workout listing that I want to try, and like my schedule and so on. Yeah. So all you need is just simple. You can just create, demo, let's say, task 1. Okay. Now, inside there, you can set, of course, your due dates, your alarm, or you want a recurring. I like the recurring function. Yeah. So that you don't have to keep on doing that. And it's very powerful. You see here, it even have customize. Yeah, this is what I like. So customize like 1 week, especially for my workout. Maybe I'm going to do this exercise Tuesday and Friday. I can just select and I can save it. You see? So it's very simple and easy to use. All right. So let's remove this. Okay. And then let's say I remove this. Yeah. Due date as well. So what I can do here, this is how I usually use this together with my calendar. Let's say I go to my calendar and now I can come over here, click this to do. Okay. And then select, if you have a lot, just select the task because you create in the task listing. And you have this demo task right over here. So this is what I do is every day, let's say today I'm going to do this at 5 o'clock. I just drag and drop over here. If this is like 2 hours session, I just drag it, right? Or if this is more than that, 2 hour session, I'll just keep drawing. So it is very simple. So this is a technique that I talk about in my previous video called time blocking. If you have not tried time blocking before, try it and let me know how it works for you. And it's a very powerful tool used by a lot of successful people. Now, the second tools I like the most is the OneNote from Microsoft too, right? I like to use Microsoft product. Doesn't mean that it is very easy to use. Sometimes I think it's a little bit complicated, but it is useful for me because it connects all together and I can find my information easily. Now, OneNote is one of them because it is free to use and I can create as many notebooks that I want, and you can even link it to your Microsoft team to share with your team members. So you can see right over here, I can have my notebook and you can create a lot of notebooks, yeah? And then inside each notebook, you can create many sections, right? This is my notebook, which is my personal notebook. And you can see that I basically write anything or do my research for my just recent Uzbekistan travel. Okay, so you can see I just dump everything right over here, including I have for my work, and I write my journal right over here. Yeah, you can see there's a lot of journal. Okay, come back over here. So basically I use it every day to write my journal, yeah, as well as key in all the information, doing my research. And today it can even link it to the sticky notes, right? You can have sticky notes like this. You can see that today you can do a screenshot and do many other things, right? So that you can put in, let's say, last minute notes instead of writing on a piece of paper everywhere. I like to use this because it is with me, because I have my OneNote with me on my phone too. Let me know, those of you who use OneNote, whether it is useful or not. Personally, I think this is a very good note-taking. And if you have like me, I have my tablet, I just draw or write, okay, on the tablet easily. Yeah, especially when I'm writing my journals, okay. You can see some of that right over here. Sometimes I just write, yeah. Okay. The third one is Notion, right? Notion is my go-to so-called apps, especially when I want to plan something for my project management. You can see this is my video content planning. That I'm doing this for my channel, Club Productivity YouTube channels. Okay, and you can see there's a lot more, right? So all the things, right? You want to plan, you can do it, CRM. Yeah, it is a little bit more complicated, yeah, or complex to learn. But once you learn it, it is a very, very powerful tools, yeah, that you can customize almost anything, right, to suit your needs. Yeah, so I can, let's say, I can open more to show you the details, okay, how I plan my video content, and these are very powerful tools. Right, you can have different view. This is table view. I want to see a status board view, okay, on the status by different phase of my content creation. I can see it here. Or I want to go down just for planning list, or I can just, if I have new ideas, I just click here, new ideas, and then just put it in there. And to me, this is a very powerful tools, yeah, and you can share with your team members as well. So these are the top 3 productivity apps that I use daily. Let me know what are the apps that you use daily to help you boost your work productivity. Have you tried any of these apps? So my challenge to you is go try it out. And I like to use free and simple apps to help me be productive because I don't like to spend a lot of time do all this planning or searching for information. That is why I use these 3 free apps. Try it out and let me know how it works out for you. By the way, I'm Andrew, and if you like this type of content, do share with your friends and colleagues. And also, subscribe to our channel so that every week when we publish new content, you'll be notified. Now, here are some of the videos that we created earlier. I hope they will also help to grow your career.